Hey, stinkers. What you doing, Jamie? Oh, y'all don't fuss at me. Drink some water. No, you gotta have some water. Come on. Y'all were doing so good when you didn't know I was here. Y'all were doing so good when you didn't know I was here. Come on, don't play. And she's smart, or he's. That's got to be Fergus. No, I think that's Fergus. He's bigger. Even though they're twins. Hey! What you doing, Charlie? Get some water. What was you fussing at me for? That's my babies. Y'all doing so good. Get some water. Here. Do it. Get some water. Do it. Come on. Stinkers. You stinkers. What was that, Claire? Huh? He's so pretty. He is so cool. What, Charlie? Huh? What's you fussing at me for? No. Hey, Jamie. Y'all about put Fergus, you're a whiny butt. It's muggy out here. Good boy. He's a good boy. Hey, Bree. What you fussing about, Jamie? Don't scream at me. You so fresh. You're so fresh, you pretty boy. What is it, Bree? Oh, whoa. Oh, you gotta learn. Come on. Who's gonna figure it out first? Good girl. Good girl, Bree. Come on. Atta baby Claire. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. You can do it. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Atta boy. Come on, Fergus. You okay? You okay? Sleep over there. Atta boy, Fergus. Come on, Jamie. I know your legs are a little bit shorter, but you can do it. Come on. Come on, Jamie. Yay! Good babies. Yay! All right, you ready to go in? Don't eat the flowers. Hey. Puppies. Atta boys. There, girl. Yeah, the babies. You ready? Come on, Fergus. Fergus, come on.